Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning guys, how are you? It is a Tuesday and it is the 1st of March. As always, let's have a recap of yesterday. It was a bit of a crazy day because we had a lot of gaps in the market. Basically, the market opened, there were gaps down, gaps up. So let's take a look at what actually happened. So if you remember rightly guys, we were trying to long this market because of this bullish candle here. We were trying to just wait for a retrace and take market up to this blue line, but as you can see, there was a huge gap down to this area here. All right, but let's take a look and see what actually happened on the H1. So guys, yeah, as you can see, we had this huge gap down. Price started here on Monday. We had this huge gap down. Okay, so this made me reluctant to enter the market. But what I was looking for was for H1 structure to change. Okay, so as you can see, guys, price retraced into this area of resistance here. So come up, tested it, come back down, tested it again, okay, and then eventually it broke. Okay, so this candle here made me decide to go long. All right, what I actually did was wait for price to retrace to this area of which was once resistance, now support. Okay, and I entered the trade here. Okay, I had my strong bullish candle, I waited for a retrace and I entered the market. Okay, I am still in this trade, so I entered here, I put my stop below the grey zone, and my target is back up to this, just to fill the gap really guys. I know we've got the blue target here, but I would just want to fill this gap. So I'm still in this trade, and I'm hoping for price today to again respond at this level here, okay, and take price back up to these highs. Okay, so we will see what happens today, but I entered this trade because of the breaker structure and I am still in this trade long. Right, next one guys, the pound against the New Zealand dollar. Again, we had a gap down, okay, so yeah, what we were looking guys, because of this bearish candle here, we were looking to take price back down to this blue zone and even this blue zone. Okay, and that is exactly what happened. Okay, so it hit our target. But let's look at H1 to see what actually happened. So guys, yeah, as you can see, we had a gap up this time. So price just gapped up. Yeah, price come into our grey zone. All right, and then I'm just looking for the candle to tell me that sellers are in control, and this candle here told me that. Yeah, a lot of indecision with this candle, this candle, this candle, a lot of indecision, and then bang, sellers are in control. So I entered at the close of this candle, put my stop above here, and then took price back down to these lows here for an excellent trade. Yeah, it was a great trade. I closed 80% at these lows and then let the final 20% carry down to this blue line, and it hit our higher time frame target, guys. So yeah, so pound against the New Zealand dollar, this was an excellent trade. I hope you took it. Right, the final trade that we were looking at from Monday, from yesterday, is this. This was the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. We were shorting because, let me zoom out just to show you this. Yeah, we had this diagonal area of resistance. Yeah, so price reacted at that area, and we had this bearish candle form, which told me we could take price back down to this blue line. Okay, and again, that's exactly what happened. but price gapped down to this blue line. All right, so let's look at H1 to see what actually happened. But we were trying to short this market. So guys, yeah, as you can see, price gapped down to here, and it hit the blue line already. Okay, and then price did retrace all the way to our grey zone. Okay, I actually entered on this candle here to go short. All right, so yeah, come up, hit our grey zone. This candle tells me sellers are in control. I actually have my stop above this psychological level of 8600. So I had my stop around here somewhere. You have to give the trade a little bit of room, guys. So that's my reason for doing this. And 8600 is a psychological level. All right, so I entered. I got a little bit of retrace. I entered here, put my stop here. And guys, I'm looking to take price back down to this blue line, okay? As you can see, we've had a lot of, overnight, we've just had a lot of sideways, choppy movement, but I'm still expecting this market to come back down and hit my blue target. So I'm still in this trade as well. So I'm still in the Euro US dollar long, I'm still in the New Zealand Canadian dollar short, and the pound New Zealand dollar was an excellent trade. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens today. Right, guys, let's take a look at trades for today, for Tuesday. Okay, so the trades for today, for Tuesday, the 1st of March, all right? But before I do, guys, if you enjoyed the recap of yesterday's trades, then please smash the like button. It really helps support the channel. And also subscribe, guys. That will be greatly appreciated. Okay, so the trades for today, Tuesday, the 1st of March, we've got two potential trades that I'm looking at. So the first one is this. This is the euro against the US dollar. So as you can see here, we've got this area of support here. Okay, price bounced off it with this wick here. Okay, and now we've had this also, this very bullish green candle. Okay, so I think we can take price at least back up to this high here. Okay, so we're looking to long this market up to 1267. All right, let's look at H1 for execution. Guys, as you can imagine, we've had a lot of gap ups, gap downs, so the structure is a little bit difficult to read, hence the large grey zone. But what we're looking for, guys, is price to retrace into this grey zone. Okay, then we're looking for a bullish candlestick pattern. And then first of all, we want to take price back up to these highs here. And then we can leave 20% on the trade and take it back up to our blue daily target here. All right, so yeah, euro against the US dollar, we're looking to long, we're looking to buy this market. Yeah, and a similar story with the pound against the US dollar, guys. Okay, so as you can see from this area here, these last lows, yeah, price never broke this low. Even with this red candle, this quite bearish candle here, the wick, yeah, bounced back up and closed back into this low. Okay, and then yesterday we had this. We had a bullish candle, form. So what I'm looking to do, guys, is just take price back up to our blue line here. This last low here. Okay, so we're looking to long this market as well. All right. Obviously, the euro US dollar and the pound US dollar are heavily correlated. So just trade the one that gives you the best setup. Right, let's look at the H1 on the pound US dollar to see where we can enter. Okay, yeah. So what I'm looking for, guys, is this. I want price to retrace into this grey zone somewhere. I want to see a bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, first of all, we can take price back up to these highs here. Okay, close 80% of the trade and then leave 20% of the trade to carry up to our blue daily target. All right, guys, so yeah, so euro US dollar long and pound US dollar long as well for today, guys. They're the only two trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this daily analysis, then please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button, and that way you'll receive it every single morning, guys. You won't miss a single one. And also smash the like button. It helps support the channel. Right, guys, so the news for today, for Tuesday, the 1st of March. As you can see, overnight, we've had some Chinese and Australian data come out, okay? So, yeah, that could move the Aussie dollar overnight. But that's been and gone. What we're interested in today, guys, is first of all this, 8:55 GMT. We've got some German manufacturing PMI coming out for the euro. So this is a 3-star rating. This could move any euro pair. 9:30, we have coming out of UK, we have manufacturing PMI. So again, this news can affect any pound pair. If we carry on down, we've got quite a busy news day today. At 1 o'clock, we've got the head of the European Central Bank, Lagarde, speaking. When she speaks, the market listens, so she could move any euro pair. At 1:30 GMT, we've got the gross domestic product coming out of Canada. So again, this could affect any Canadian dollar pair. We carry on down, there's more, guys, there's more news. At 3 o'clock GMT, we've got manufacturing PMI coming out of the US. So again, this can affect any US dollar pair. We're not sure when, but President Biden, the leader of the free world, he's going to talk at some point, probably, you know, between 7 p.m. GMT and 9:30. So obviously, the leader of the free world can move all currency pairs, so it'd be interesting to see what he has to say today. And then other than that, guys, as you can see, for the rest of the day we have no real news to speak of, okay, but quite a busy news day, so yeah, you must be aware of all of those releases. Right, guys, yeah, if you've enjoyed the vid, then please subscribe, like and share to help support the channel. I hope you have a stupendous, amazing, wonderful, fantastic trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.